The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University presents this video tutorial on how to use grader setup. On your course page, select grades from the navigation menu. On the next page, you will find a table of all your created grade categories and grade items. On the top left you will find the Grader Report drop-down menu. Click on the Grader Report drop-down menu to access a variety of options that will help you in your grading process. Click on Gradebook Setup. On the next page, you will find your grade categories and grade items. To add and edit a grade category. On the Grader Setup page, click on Add Category. Add a name to the category. Select an aggregation type. Grade aggregation. The simplest way to calculate grades is to let Moodle handle calculations by setting the aggregation method. The most popular methods is natural. If a grade category is set to natural, then the grade category total is the sum of the grade items within. This method works best if assignments are marked out of a grade equivalent to the weighting. When using natural aggregation activities, you can have different point values, in which the points assigned to each activity represent the activity weight in the gradebook. To edit the grade category, click on the three dots and then select Edit Category. If the aggregation is set to natural, do not change the maximum grade settings in Category Total. From the parent category, check the Weight Adjusted checkbox and set the weight you want to the actual maximum grade assigned to the category. Click Save Changes to add and edit a grade item. On the Grader Setup page, click on Add Grade Item. Add an item name. Then set a maximum grade to the item. From the parent category, choose the category that you wish to add this grade item to it. Then scroll down and click on Save Changes. To edit the grade items, click on the three dots and then select Edit Grade Item. Here you can conduct any changes to the grade item settings. To add any existing course contents, activities to the newly created categories. Navigate to your course activity settings. Locate the grade section. Then specify the grade category from the drop-down menu that includes all the created categories. Thank you for watching, and if you need any further support, contact us through the following mediums.